Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your LOA bestie Khali. In today's video, we are talking about how to manifest anything you want. Manifesting is so simple. You have been manifesting your whole life. We manifest all day, every day. The things you consistently think about eventually show up in your reality. With that being said, you may ask, well, how do I consciously manifest the life and things I want? All you have to do is control your thoughts. You have to train your mind to work in your favor. You must focus on what you want until it shows up in your 3D world. Affirmations and a strict mental diet will be the only tools you need on your manifesting journey. Pick 2 to 3 affirmations for each desire of yours and repeat it throughout the day. The repetition of your affirmations and having a positive mental diet consistently will impress your subconscious mind and allow you to manifest your desires in the 3D world. While attempting a strict mental diet, you may feel doubtful at first, but keep affirming. You may think, does this even work, or am I fooling myself? Repetition of your affirmations will cause you to believe and not worry. Just affirm and stick to your mental diet. If you follow these 2 tips, your desires will begin to appear in your reality in no time. That's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget that you are powerful and you can create your desired reality. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.